Today, we're showcasing three incredible machines that can help you build a profitable venture. Let's dive in. First up, we have the UV-DTF printer, a versatile machine perfect for custom printing businesses. Priced at $3,750, this printer allows you to create high-quality, full-color designs on a variety of surfaces, including textiles, wood, glass, and more. Whether you're printing custom t-shirts, personalized mugs, or unique decals, the UV-DTF printer offers exceptional detail and durability. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to enter the booming market of personalized products. With this machine, you can take on custom orders, expand your product line, and even offer bulk printing services to local businesses. Next, we have the brick production machine, priced at $5,300. If you're interested in the construction industry, this machine is your ticket to producing high-quality cement bricks with minimal manual labor. This machine is capable of producing hundreds of bricks per hour, making it ideal for small to medium-sized construction projects. It's easy to operate and requires minimal maintenance, allowing you to focus on scaling your production and securing contracts. Plus, with the growing demand for affordable housing and infrastructure, a brick production business can be highly profitable. This machine allows you to start small and gradually expand as you gain more clients and experience in the industry. Finally, let's talk about the paper plate making machine, priced at $11,000. With the increasing focus on sustainability, eco-friendly products like paper plates are in high demand. This machine is perfect for producing large quantities of biodegradable paper plates, which are ideal for events, food trucks, and restaurants. It's simple to use and can produce various sizes and designs, allowing you to cater to different customer needs. By offering eco-friendly alternatives, you're not only meeting market demand but also contributing to a greener planet. With this machine, you can easily establish a profitable business while making a positive impact on the environment. Click on the video on your screen now to discover even more opportunities to grow your business.